Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to do a quick unboxing and give you a first look of the all-new Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. But before I get into that video, check this out. Okay, I'm back with another video today. Yes, I decided to pick up the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. In this video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing, also give you my first impressions or first look at the device, maybe even check out how much storage you get once you start up the device, and then also see if the fingerprint scanner works, go over the specs. The unboxing part should be pretty quick because look, there's not much to the box. Samsung decided to pull an Apple and not put the charging brick in the box. So we'll discuss that later on too. But let's get into this video. I kind of undid the tape already. Oh, nice little presentation from them. You get a little pamphlet at the top. You do get the phone itself, which we will put on the side. Yes, no charging brick, no headphones. Let's see what else you get in here. You do get a charging cable. It's USB Type-C to USB Type-C, they said. At least that's what I've seen in the box before. And then also on the box, you get your SIM card slot, which we will talk about in a little bit too. And then some pamphlets. Do we read books? Nope. We really don't. I'm going to put all this in the box. So the boxing experience is not the greatest anymore. But it is a nice box though. I mean, it looks great. I'm gonna put that right there. We come for the phone itself. Look at that Phantom Black. Look at that black. Oh, that is nice. Now more manufacturers need to do this like coated glass thing. I know this is metal, but look, Google. That matte finish is so... All right, so the camera's there. We will discuss the cameras too. It does have some juice. While that is starting up, let's go over the specs really quick. On the front, you do have a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display. It has a refresh rate of 10 to 120 Hertz, so it will randomly select it based on what you're doing, which is supposed to save some battery life, and we will check that out too. You actually can get 120 Hertz in the 2K setting too, not just the 1080p, which is a improvement from that last display. The resolution, if anybody cares, is 1440 by 3200. It has Android 11 straight out the box. It has the latest and greatest Snapdragon 888 processor in it. This variant here is 128 gigs with 12 gigs of RAM. You can get 112 gigs of storage with 16 gigs of RAM, but I only need 128 gigs. Now, a big thing, I said the SIM card slot, it does not have an SD card slot. Samsung decided to take away the SD card slot, which was a big uproar in the tech community. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. To me, I don't really care if it has it. I'm not going to put 128 gigs of storage or videos or something on my phone. I have other means of storing photos and music and everything else. It comes with a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Yes, it has the IP68 water resistant. It has wireless charging. It does 25 watt fast charging on here. The rear camera right there is a 108 megapixel main shooter. Then it has a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, which can shoot in 8K video, at least the main camera can. Then it has two 10 megapixel telephoto lens. One of them they call it a periscope lens, so it kind of works with each other and makes this awesome zoom, and it's supposed to be a lot clearer and less shaky. We'll test that out and see actually how that works too. The front camera here has a 40 megapixel camera and it can shoot in 4K at 60. Look at that. It says welcome, which I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna go ahead and start it up too. It also has some nice features on the cameras like director's view, which we will test out too. Then you can actually use both cameras at the same time, the front and the rear cameras. All right, so let's go over the phone itself. On the left hand side, you have the volume rockers and then the power button. At the top, you do have microphones and it looks like a SIM card slot. On the left hand side, you don't have anything. At the bottom, you have the speaker, the USB Type-C, a microphone, and then that is the SIM card slot. That is just 2 microphones at the top. I thought that was a SIM card slot, but that is a SIM card slot down there. Now, the great thing about the Ultra, on this one, the S21 Ultra, it does support the pen, which I do have the pen coming in really soon. So it does support pen features on here, which is something new. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is pause the video. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, maybe even put my SIM card in here and see how it is, and then come back with my first impressions and give y'all a first look at these new software on here also, but I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so I was able to go ahead and put my stuff in there. I just wanna show y'all a couple of things. Also, I just want to mention, it feels light, man. This phone, for a big phone, it doesn't feel like it's much weight to it. And just look at it. I've been looking at it, trying to set it up too. And this phone feels really good. Fingerprint scanner. Forgot to mention, they do have their new technology in there. Qualcomm's new technology fingerprint, which is supposed to be bigger, and it works. I mean, look how fast. Also, people like to check out the storage on here. Where's the battery? Let's see, battery. So right now I'm using 27% or 21%, and it's 27 gigs straight out the box. 23 gigs of system. Man, that is a lot. And why does Samsung still do those buttons down there? Why they don't have the gestures automatically set up? Y'all let me know what kind of videos you want to see on this device, like camera tests. I probably would do a camera test, maybe even an 8K video test by itself. Let's do some quick comparisons too before I let y'all go. But this phone, man, I'm impressed just because, let's see, TLC 10 Pro, definitely bigger than that. Let's see, Google Pixel 5. Look, I mean, the Pixel 5 can actually fit in the Galaxy S21 Ultra. The Moto 1 5G Ace is actually bigger, but it's taller than that. But you have a bigger screen on here. Also, something to point out, the curved display is not as curved as other displays from Samsung. Check out that fingerprint scanner. That's pretty fast. Not gonna lie, what an improvement. Check out these photos I did with the camera. Also, let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. Stay tuned to the channel. Like I said, I'm gonna do a camera test, video comparisons. I will definitely put this phone through its paces. Y'all let me know what kind of comparison you want to see. Maybe against the Pixel 5 or maybe even my LG Wing, which I'm filming with right now. But I will definitely do those videos for everyone. I have a bunch of cases to review too. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so. Follow me on Twitter at ForzaReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And don't forget to check out these photos. Peace.